Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am your computer teacher. My name is Pooja Rajmani. We studied our lesson number 3. What is the name of lesson? Yes, memory unit. Why we needed memory? To store data or programs. Memory unit is divided into two types, two parts, primary and secondary. Primary memory is also divided into two parts, which are the RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read only memory. And secondary memory is also having types, floppy disk, hard disk, CD and pen drive. Now we will see our next chapter. Now our next point. Our next point is up to compact disc, means CD. Up to we studied in last period. Now we will see about the digital video disc, means DVD, digital video disc. A digital video disc look like a compact disc. It is same as a CD. You can see this picture. Any difference you can see here? No. Which reads data as at the faster rate than the CD. It is looks same. Both also store the data. But what is the difference between DVD and CD? It reads the data faster than the CD. Means who is the faster, DVD or CD? DVD is faster than CD. It mainly stores video, pictures, music and data. DVD mainly stored video, pictures, music and data. CD is invented for only storing the music, but we can store data like movies, animation, presentation in the CD. But DVD is mainly stored data. Which type of data? Videos, pictures and music and details. Now there are mainly types of DVD, such as DVD also having different types. Which are they? DVD. DVD stand for digital versatile video disc. DVD stand for digital versatile means video disc. Next is a DVD-R. It is stand for DVD recordable, means we can record only in DVD and only that DVD. And DVD-RW. RW means what? Rewritable. It is stand for DVD rewritable. Next is a DVD-ROM, has data which can be only read and not written. What is mean by ROM? Read only memory. In that name only is given. We can read the data, but we cannot write in that data. And DVD RW means what? Can record and erase data multiple times. Means we can record the data and we can erase this data multiple times. But in ROM we can only read the data. We cannot write in that. Now our last secondary memory is which? Pen drive. What is the use of pen drive? A pen drive, also known as a USB flash drive, is a portable data storage device. Portable means what? Means we can move from one place to another place. It is easy to move. Today, pen drive have replaced a floppy disk and have become a most popular data storage device among user. Means before that most of the people are using the floppy disk, but nowadays instead of floppy disk they are uses a pen drive. Why they are uses the pen drive? Because you can see the size of this board. It is our floppy disk. You see a floppy disk, size of the floppy disk, and here you can see the size of the pen drive. Pen drive means we can it is easy to move and the size of pen drive is small. Nowadays pen drives are available in storage capacity ranging from 2 to 8 GB. Means pen drive also having a different capacity to store the data. Some pen drive can store 2 GB data only, some pen drive stores 8 GB data or 32 GB data. It can be used to store graphics, heavy document, photos, music files and video clips. Means in pen drive we can store anything. Which type of data we can store in pen drive? Documents, photos, music files and video clips also we can store in pen drive, and it is easy to move from one place to another place. The size of pen drive is also small. Pen drive are also known as thumb device, jump device, mini USB drive and pocket device. Pocket drive, pen drive is also known as pen drive are also known as thumb drive. It is not a device, it is drive, thumb drive, jump drive, mini USB drive and pocket drive. A pen drive has to plug into a USB port to transfer file, document and photos to the PC. Means if you want to transfer the data to the CPU in the computer, then there are the USB port are there. Then if when we plug this pen drive to the CPU in this USB port, then we can transfer whatever we stored in the pen drive. It is pen drive. It is pen drive. We can store anything in that. Now measuring unit of memory. How to measure data in memory? Means we are measure liquid in liter. In if it is not a liter, it is not a liquid, then also we can measure in a kilo. Then how we measure? What is the measurement unit of the memory? We will see here. The unit of measurement is different for different product. For example, the unit of measurement of the apple and potatoes is kilogram. The unit of measurement of milk and other liquid product is liter. Similarly, even computer has a unit of measurement to calculate the storage capacity of the computer. Means apple and potatoes we are measured in kilos. If it is liquid, means like a milk, the oil, then we are measured in liters. But how to measure how to measure the memory? Computer memory we can measure to calculate the storage capacity of the computer. The memory or storage capacity of computer is measured in term of byte, kilobyte, gigabyte and megabyte. Which are there? Byte, kilobyte, megabyte and gigabyte. Measure of unit of measurement, symbol and same as. Means 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits and the symbol of byte is B. The symbol of byte is B. Next one is 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 kilobytes is equal to 1024 bytes, and what is the symbol of kilobyte? It is KB. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1024 kilobytes, and what is the short form or what is the symbol of megabyte is MB. Next one is a 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes, and what is the symbol of gigabyte is GB. Next one is a 1 terabytes. 1 terabytes is equal to 1024 gigabytes, and what is the symbol of terabyte is TB. For example, a pen drive stores capacity range from the 2 GB to 32 GB. We stated only in pen drive What is the storage capacity of pen drive? 2 to 8 GB and 32 GB means pen drive can store up to 2 GB data from 32 GB data. These are some exercise. You have to read this question and try to find out the answer. Now we will see in skill sheet. Now we will solve skill sheet. First number, page number is 7 and first number question, fill in the blanks. What is the first number question? A pen drive is an example of a dash dash storage device. Pen drive is a which type of device? Pen drive is a portable data storage device. Pen drive is example of a portable data storage device. A pen drive is also known as dash dash device. Dash dash drive. Pen drive is also known as a USB flash drive. Next one is a CD is also known as, what is the long form of CD? Compact disc. Dash dash is a type of permanent memory, RAM or ROM. Which is the permanent memory? ROM. Read only memory is a type of permanent memory. Next one, dash dash is a volatile memory. Which is the volatile memory? Means once the computer is switched off, who lost all the data? Yes, RAM. RAM. RAM lost all the data. That's why it is called as a volatile memory. Dash dash is the type of temporary memory. Which is the type? Means who is the permanent memory? RAM. RAM is permanent memory. Is the type of temporary memory. RAM is the type of temporary memory. Next one is a ROM stand for. What is the long form of ROM? Read only memory. What is the long form of ROM? Read only memory. Next one is a, what is the long form of RAM? RAM stand for random access memory. RAM stand for random access memory. Dash dash and dash dash are example of storage, secondary storage device. There are so many secondary storage device, but here we have to write only two. Which are the secondary storage device? Floppy disk, DVD, then hard disk, pen drive and CD. These are example of secondary storage device, but here we have to write only two. Hard disk and pen drive are example of the secondary storage device. A DVD stand for, what is the long form of DVD? Digital video disc. Digital video disc. Dash dash is used for personal data of limited content. Dash dash is used for personal data of limited content. What we are using? Yes, we are using floppy disk. Floppy disk is used for personal data of limited content. Now next one we'll see, match the pairs. First one is First one is 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 megabyte, 1024 bytes, 1024 kilobytes, 8 bits or 1024 gigabytes. What is mean by 1 kilobytes? 1 kilobytes means answer is 1024 bytes. What is the number here? B. Then don't draw the lines. We have to write only answer B. 1 kilobytes is equal to 1024 bytes. Now second one is 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte is equal to, answer is C. In front of here we have to write here C, 1024 kilobytes. Now next one is 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Answer is D. What is the third one? Answer is D. Now 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. What is the number here? A. Then we have to write here A. And last one, 1 terabyte, it is 1024 gigabytes. Got it? 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes, and 1 terabytes is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Now next one is true or false. Third number question is write tick against the correct statement and cross against the false statement. Hard disk and compact disk are two types of secondary memory. Hard disk and compact disk are the types of secondary memory. True or false? It is true. Then we must have to tick. This sentence is true. Now second one, RAM is also known as non-volatile memory. RAM is a non-volatile memory. RAM is also known as non-volatile memory. This answer is true or false? This answer is false. Who known as a non-volatile memory? RAM is known as a non-volatile memory. That's why this answer is this statement is wrong. Then cross it. Now next is RAM is a type of permanent memory. RAM is type of permanent memory. It is true or false? It is true. This statement is true. That's why we tick here. Now next is hard disk have capacity to hold more data than the floppy or pen drive. Means hard disk can store data as compared to floppy and pen drive. This statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Now last one, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. It is true or false? Yes, it is false. Then 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Then this statement is false. Understand about true and false? Now next one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the missing words. We have to write the correct letter for their missing places. Here, which spelling it is? It is floppy. What is the spelling of floppy? F-L-O-P-P-Y, floppy. F-L-O-P-P-Y, floppy. Next one is, what is the next one? Next one is a hard disk. What is the spelling of hard disk? H-A-R-D-D-I-S-K, hard disk. Next one is a CO, then compact disc. COMPACT. COMPACT. Compact DISK. Compact disc. Next one is a pen. 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 DRIVE. Pen drive. Understand? Pen drive. Next one is a D, then D. Then what will come here? DVD. DVD. Next one is a, what one is a READ. Read. ONLY. Read only. MEMORY. Read only. Memory. Read only. Memory. Here spelling is wrong. PEN. 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 DRIVE. Pen drive. By mistakenly I wrote here EN only. Now next one is, it is, what is, which word will come here? R, then random access memory. RANDOM. 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 ACCESS. Random access memory. MEMORY. All letters are capital. Random access memory. And next one is a, and last one, memory unit. MEMORY. Memory UNIT. Memory unit. First one is a floppy, then hard disk, compact disk, pen drive, DVD, read only memory, random access memory, and last one is a memory unit. Now fifth number question. Guess the correct word for its meaning described below. We have to guess, we have to write the correct word for this sentence. A type of volatile memory. Who is the volatile memory? Yes, RAM. RAM. RAM is the volatile memory. A type of permanent memory. Which is the permanent memory? ROM. ROM. ROM is the permanent memory. The shortcut of a kilobytes. What is the shortcut of kilobyte? KB. KB is the shortcut of kilobyte. Now, also known as dash dash means who is also known as thumb drive, jump drive, mini USB drive and pocket drive. Who known as a thumb drive, jump drive, mini USB drive and pocket drive? Pen drive. Pen drive is also known as thumb drive, jump drive, mini USB drive. Now next one is a full form of DVD RW. What is the full form of DVD RW? DVD RW means DVD. What is the long form of DVD? Digital video disc and rewritable. Digital video disc rewritable. By mistakenly I not wrote here rewritable. Rewritable. DVD, digital video disc rewritable. Now next one is a 3.5 inch disc. Who is a 3.5 inch disc? Yes, floppy disk. Floppy disk is also known as a 3.5 disk. 3.5 inch disk. What has replaced the floppy disk? What replaced the floppy disk? What we are using instead of floppy disk? Yes, we are using mostly nowadays pen drive instead of floppy disk. Now we will see next one is match the pairs. Match the names of storage device on the left to their correct picture on the right. We have to match this. These are the names, and this side is having name and this side is having their pictures. We have to match it. For match the pairs, you must have to use pencil and scale. First one, which is the picture of CD. First one, this. Do like that, then it is easy to match. And for join the line, must use the scale. First one is which is the picture? It is third one is picture of CD. Now next one is a hard disk. Which is the picture of hard disk? This fourth one is a picture of hard disk. Fourth one is a picture of hard disk. Next one is a pen drive. Which is the picture of pen drive? This first one is a picture of pen drive. Next one is a floppy disk. Second one is a floppy disk. Now next one is a DVD. Which is the DVD? DVD is this one is a DVD. Now RAM. RAM is last one. And ROM. ROM is this remaining one. For match the pairs, you have to use scale, pencil and scale. Join the proper line. Now next we will see answer the following. Answer the following. First one is define memory unit. What is meant by memory unit? Define memory unit. A memory unit is defined as the device that stores information for retrieval. A hardware device such as hard disk or floppy disk is used to record and store data. So such devices are known as memory unit. Memory unit are also known as a storage device. Means memory unit, why we are using memory unit? For storing the data, and we can use this data for retrieval. And hardware devices such as hard disk or floppy disk is used to record and store data. So such devices are known as memory unit, and memory unit are also known as a storage device. Now next one is a write example of primary and secondary storage device. Examples of primary unit, primary storage device, and example of secondary storage device. Which are the examples of primary storage device? RAM and ROM. What is the long form of RAM? Random access memory. And what is meant by ROM? Read only memory. Next one is a secondary storage devices. Secondary, which are the secondary storage devices? Floppy disk, hard disk, compact disk, digital video disk, and pen drive. These are the examples of secondary storage devices. Now last question. Write the short note on compact disk and digital video disk. We have to write the short note on compact disk, means on CD, and on DVD, digital video disk. What is meant by compact disk? A compact disc is also known as CD. It is an optical disc used to store digital data. It was originally developed to store only music. It is much preferred storage media compared to pen drive. Next one is a digital video disc. A digital video disc look like a compact disc. It is same as a CD. It reads data at a faster than CD. It mainly stores video, pictures, music and data. It reads data as a faster rate than the CD. It mainly stores video, pictures, music and data. Now there are in DVD we are watching here. Fourth point, in DVD only there are mainly types of DVD. Which are the mainly types of DVD? First is a DVD. DVD stand for digital versatile or video disc. First one is a second one is a DVD-R. It is only recordable. DVD is only for recordable. In DVD-ROM we can only read the data and not write. And next one is a DVD-RW. It stands for DVD rewritable. In that we can record and erase data multiple times. Means we can write also and we can erase also. These are example. Now we will study. In next period we will see our 4th number chapter. Till that time you have to try to solve the skill sheet of the lesson number 1, 2 and 3 also, and read the lessons 1, 2, 3, underline the hard words and read these hard words one more times. Thank you.